Approve Refinance is all about helping car owners lower their monthly payments and save more money by refinancing their auto loans. The process here is refreshingly simple and removes some of the usual headaches, making it a standout for anyone tired of overpaying because of a bad interest rate or a less than ideal loan deal from the start. What sets Auto Approve apart immediately is how quick and painless it is to get started. You can pre-qualify for a refinancing quote without ever providing your social security number. And it only takes a soft credit pull, which means your credit score won't take a hit. This small but significant detail makes it easy for people to explore their options with almost no risk or pressure. From there, the service is designed to be hands-on and personal. Real people work with you to find the best loan fit for your needs, and they even handle the paperwork and DMV work, so you don't have to get bogged down in the administrative details. For many, that's a huge relief. Whether you want to lower your payment, shorten your loan term to pay off the car faster, or get a better APR because your credit has improved, Auto Approve guides you through each step. There's no application fee at all, and the company proudly promotes that it doesn't upsell or profit by marking up the interest rate on your loan. What you're offered is what you get, without any sneaky add-ons. Big benefits come with their approach. Qualified users have seen average monthly savings of over $100, and some borrowers can even skip up to 3 monthly payments if the timing is right. The whole process is built to be fast, with funding and payment transitions often happening in just a few steps. Another bonus is the ability to add on gap insurance for a little extra peace of mind, which only costs a few dollars every month and protects you if a worst-case scenario hits and your car is totaled or stolen. There are some drawbacks you'll want to keep in mind. The most notable is the origination fee, up to $550, depending on the lender. While you don't pay this out of pocket upfront and it can be rolled into your loan, it's still money you're ultimately responsible for. Also, not every lender working with Auto Approve offers a discount for setting up automatic payments, so those looking to save every extra penny might miss out on this perk. To sum things up, Auto Approve Refinance is an appealing tool for anyone who wants to make their car loan more manageable or just feel like they're getting a fresh start with fairer terms. The lack of an application fee, the soft check pre-qualification, and the strong customer support make it a great fit for most everyday drivers. That said, the origination fee and limited perks depending on the lender do give pause. Refinancing always comes with the risk of getting a less favorable rate if you don't qualify for the best terms, or accumulating more debt over a longer period if you aren't careful. Anyone considering Auto Approve should balance the potential monthly savings with the total long-term costs, but for many, it's an effective way to stop overpaying and finally get a fair deal.